Auto insurance, a bothersome task. High medical expenses and lawsuit judgments are on the rise, so it is all the more important to protect yourself and your family with adequate vehicle protection. If you want to drive a car on the road in the USA, you must have current auto insurance. Many states even have coverage minimums, where you have to have a certain dollar amount in order to be in legal compliance. Usually, this is called the primary coverage amount. Furthermore, all jurisdictions have made it compulsory to have two auto insurance systems, the no-fault system, and the tort system. The former type of insurance favored in most states dictates that your insurance carrier shall pay the injury claims no matter who caused the accident. The amount payable is up to a specified limit, and if you are involved in an accident, your carrier is liable to pay for the injury. According to the tort system, the injured party will have to take care of the medical expenses from their pocket and then claim it from the guilty driver's insurance carrier to get reimbursed. The burden, however, is the claimant needs to prove that medical care taken was within reasonable limits and was needed. Auto accident injuries are expensive and keep increasing in costs. This is why having proper insurance limits is so important. Getting auto insurance coverage is a personal choice and needs to be considered carefully. This means thinking of the assets you have accumulated throughout your life and protecting them. Not having insurance protection on your vehicle can lead to a lot of expenses in the form of fines, penalties, and even the suspension of your vehicle's registration. A judge can also suspend your license, and then you cannot drive at all. In a case of accidents, the law enforcement officer will demand proof of auto insurance. The Department of Motor Vehicles also needs to have proof of your coverage, or they might not issue you a valid car registration sticker. In any case, the law enforcement officers have access to all these records, and trying to trick them with a fake policy could incur huge penalties or even worse punishments. You pay less for an old car than for a new one. https://t.co/lqvzoyrp3a, but in the long run, is the other way around. pic.twitter.com/7mb9hx3j1b. Jacovo at Javico70, August 23, 2016. It is best to follow the law and pay for your auto insurance on time. You can always work out which car insurance companies would best serve your needs and at the same time be cost-effective using an online search for quotes. Following your state's mandates on car insurance is important, as you need to be within the state's legal guidelines. An online search for better and cheaper auto insurance can prove to be a cumbersome exercise if one does not know how to go about it. The reason being, there are far too many options available for the owner to come to any relevant conclusion as to the type of auto insurance that would best suit his or her purpose. Comparing will not only enhance your knowledge on car insurance, but also save you money. What to consider? If you are considering new auto insurance coverage for your automobile, you may easily do so with the help of the internet. With the advent of policy searching online, it is possible to get quite in just a few short minutes. The web is revolutionizing the way most people buy car insurance policies. Just browse the internet, where you can find thousands of websites offering every type of insurance, from auto to boat coverage. You should consider some of the best companies offering affordable auto insurance. In fact, Good To Go Insurance offer discounts for good car rates. You have to inquire about the eligibility criteria and choose the discounts that apply to you. Also, a few Good To Go Insurance offer discounts for going through a driver's training course and other driver learning programs. If you want to reap the benefit of this offer, you just need to go through a certified course and then show the insurer your certificate. This can save you about 10% on premiums, which adds up. Remember that different types of auto models have different auto insurance coverage and rate. You can ask the companies about their rates as well. Often, sports and expensive automobiles bring in the highest rates. If your automobile has an excellent and satisfactory maintenance rating, there is a better chance for you getting lower insurance rates. You also need to know some basics about auto insurance premiums before applying for it. Apart from those points above, such as maintenance rating and the driver learning program, there are some other criteria too included in the pricing policy structure. For instance, gender is a big component, the monthly mileage driven and even the color of the automobile. Remember that if you maintain your car regularly in good condition, you have more of a chance of getting a reduced interest of premium rate on your vehicle's insurance coverage. Other considerations: while buying an auto insurance or reviewing the existing insurance policy, you need to consider some essential things. First, ensure that the policy offers as much protection in the way of dollar limits as possible. Know the maximum cost that your insurance company will repay after the maturity of the insurance period. More significantly, be aware of insurance deductible amounts that you are obligated to pay, even before the insurance company pays you anything. This means setting aside the deductible amount in the case you need to file a claim. Finally, know your responsibilities if an accident or mishap happens. Understanding auto insurance is beneficial because it can get you a better policy at a lower rate. With the number of accidents and thefts occurring widely in the USA, it is essential for every auto owner to buy insurance coverage to secure both the vehicle, as well as its owner in case an accident or theft occurs. If you want to get an affordable auto insurance, you can visit Good2Go, where you will be able to get a discount according to your driving history record. At Good2Go is directly proportional having a good driving record and discount. As good driving record you have, as much discount you will be able to get on your auto policy.